So about to fill a blank form here. Selected a form and I'm acquiring this location using the GPS satellites. Selecting the surveyor and now selecting the time that we start looking for pellet, which is now. So let's start searching.
I already found it. Here. Pellet here.
As Anita found pellets, we select the time when the pellets were found to get a proxy of Possum density. We then get the barcode from the little bag, which is automatically scanned, and then we take a picture of the sampling site. And finally, we select the possum species, which is the ringtail possum. We don't add metadata here, but we could. And now we just save the form, exit, and now it's up in the cloud.